Again.
Fuck no!
Again. God damn it, do it again. This is not funny. It's not funny. Where the fuck is the voice?
Man, get the fuck, turn it off. You saved the battery.
You're the fucking pitch. Baby back, sleeve dick.
This guy.
What? Faggot! I find this highly offensive. When I go home, I'm gonna take a shit.
I'm not a crazy driver.
You don't know. You don't know where this is going. Huh? Y'all. Hey, y'all sugar tits. Hey, yo, sugar tits. Then, sugar tits.
And that white boy boys.
Yeah. Sugar tits. Hey, yo, sugar tits.
Yo, sugar tits.
Bumblebee. Autobots. Roll out.
Zachary or something.
No. Sam Witwicky. Witwicky.
Sam.
That's so funny.
Sam, I need more oil.
Bring me more oil. Hey. You're on camera, bitches! fiendishly.
Hey, yo, Thunder bitch.
Dude, oh my god. Just like you, man.
Hell nah, dude.
From a distance.
Alright, from a distance, I can dig it. That dude's real white complexion.
Me too, Mike. Like,
That nigga, is a light,
Very true.
that's a light ass Mexican.
very true.
I'm pure dark. You got some Spaniard in him. I don't. I got that Aztec Indian, baby. That's what's cracking with it. Cuz.
Let's just record the whole thing.
Oh, hey, you know what? No bullshit. That's exactly what I'm gonna do, man. All right, Jordan, coming in as number 1, number 2 in the champ.
Well, I don't understand why they make the pockets on the inside.
That you can turn them inside out.
These are the inside.
Hey, yo, Thunder bitch.
Pissing people off, man.
Oh, damn. What's up, dude? You on Candy Camera?
I'm Candy Camera. The fuck?
Candy Camera, motherfucker.
I'ma fuck your mother.
You're gonna fuck up whose mother?
I'ma fuck up everybody's mother.
That's right, baby. That's right, baby. Crack a lacking
Hello, dude. I like the bed, man.
Yeah. Oh yeah, you got hit. Can I hit you another one? Jump back.
Oh, look.
Can I hit you another one? Eddie?
Look, dude.
There's nothing there, but.
Look at this
fuck
bitch.
that last night.
Look at
Damn.
that bitch. That bitch looks nasty. Ah. Hey, yo, Thunder bitch.
Where's the video?
Oh, dude, this is nice as you were saying.
Man, it's too funny, too fast, too quick.
I was young Tom. Dude, hey, I have like every
Season
video
idol
on
is
my PS4.
amazing. Really?
Yeah, like, I think I have everyone. I might be missing one.
Did y'all hear us outside, man? I was like, hey, yo, Thunder bitch. Open the fucking door.
I have Undertow, Enema. Oh yeah, that's like the best CD, dude.
Oh, what is this?
That's heavy. Yeah, keep that.
Oh. Gotta go down the line, baby. Gotta go down the fucking line.
Like super summer.
We took this shit at motherfucking Pasadena Town Square. Town Square. Pasadena. Down the block. 25 minutes.
Hey yo, Thunder bitch.
Hey yo, Thunder, come here.
That's a badass wheel, dude.
Hey. Alright. And this is how we gonna end it. This is how we gonna end it. Woo. Some shit like that, nigga.